gentlemen, entering Raylnn and her Miracle Bird solo. Welcome her tonight, Raylnn.
Here we go.
Are you going to sing us a song tonight?
Yeah, I am. I totally won! I really totally won! My bird is such a boy that I take down a bump.
Put your arm down there and tell him to step up like he was doing and leave it. He's wanting you to pet his head.
And he won't talk to me. I wanted to talk to you.
Well, go over there, put your finger out and say, step up, Solo.
Solo.
Put it where he can get to it.